Hello everyone, I'll be showing you how to make, I will show you how to make one of my signature butterflies. I like to call it my signature butterfly because, I like a butterfly and wear a whole bunch of colors, so we're going to get into that. Don't mind that, I was trying to draw this, yeah, just don't, how my word. Okay, so I basically just layer different colors. I gotta start with blue, and then all this green. Right, you're just gonna make one like that. You're gonna make 3, and then just like that. Now it looks weird. But so you want to have the hard mapping pen, smooth, for this first part of your butterfly. Here's your first part. And now I'm going to make another 3 like that, and don't worry then, but for this you want to use a hard school pen and just color it. Now this does work like this, sorry for the background noise. If y'all can look back at the page. Now you just have a big block. And yeah. Okay, I'm just gonna do that. And then you don't connect those. Also, y'all, just this for my pie. I recently just heard about her case. I think it's evil, and why no one has done anything, but people are now working on it, which, amen, is a good thing. I just want to address that type of thing is obviously not okay, but she will forever be missed. Rest in peace. Okay. Now you have your graffiti like butterfly. Now you want to have a darker shade of green, about like this. Look at the hex code. Okay, so, and then you got an even darker one. Get the hex. Well, I'll show y'all the hex. Give me, oh, yo, that looks almost the same. Okay, that. So basically, my signature butterfly is just butterfly with the fancy colors. Now we're going to turn it down so it's like that, so you can see. Now we're going to use a lighter shade like this pink right here. I'll show you the hex. Now we're just going to go over it, like that. to use the fountain pen. That way it's big enough. Although I need to fix that. Okay, the fountain pen, you just need to do zigzags and stuff like this. And for the bottom, for the bottom, you want to use like a pink like this, and try to kind of blend, I guess, just until you like cover up all the green areas like that. Now,
David, unlock the door.
You want to go back
I don't care, unlock it.
This color and have it on that. Now for the antennas. Alright, now everything's covered. Now we're gonna go over it all again. But we're gonna do it with white. So yeah.
Don't lock the door.
Alright, we have this big 3 once again. I'm gonna make the other one.
Why are you so bad?
I'm not so bad right now. Alright, now we got that.
Addie,
Uh-huh.
bring me that phone stand thing.
Hold on, guys, I'll be right back. So yeah. This is just going to be outlined. You're done with my butterfly.
Where are you?
I like it.
Broke something.
I like it.
He broke a bracelet in here. Addie,
What?
he broke your bracelet.
Bear!